Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a video I'm really excited to do because recently after I got married, post-wedding, I've put on a lot of unwanted weight and I've been really insecure and just trying to find things or methods to help me just shed off that excess weight that I put on. I heard a lot about the Bodyboss brand way before this, so like I've been seeing a lot of people advertise Bodyboss online. I've seen Bodyboss a lot on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube. Bodyboss is just like really huge right now and I've just been seeing it everywhere and I just really wanted to try it for myself. Everyone recommended it, so I was like, okay, I might as well try it. So I reached out to them and they were kind enough to send me their nutrition and workout guide and also sponsor this video. So I just want to thank Bodyboss for working with me on this video. With that being said, I don't want you guys to think I'm not being honest with this review because I did try this guide out and it did see results. I wouldn't be doing this video unless I could be honest, so just wanted you guys to know that. And yeah, let's just get right on into it. So they sent me this little bundle and you get the Bodyboss Ultimate Body 12-Week Fitness Guide. And these like books are so nicely made. The pictures are so colorful. I really like them. Like when I got this, I was super excited. It feels like so legit. Then you get the Bodyboss Superfood 12-Week Nutrition Guide, and it's like this cardboard box. It's really nicely made stuff. What I love most about these workouts though is they're only 24 minutes long. 24-minute workout. That's it. Who wants to work out for longer than you have to? Yeah, it's high intensity interval training. I loved it. I enjoyed it so much because it was so quick. I felt like I got a lot out of my workout and I was sore for days. Like days. It was bad. And it was super fast paced. Like I said, I love fast paced workout because I get bored very easily, and then when you get bored it's just like super hard to finish a workout. So I like how it's super fast paced. You give it all for a very short amount of time and then you're done. You're done. Monday, legs and booty. Tuesday, cardio, just 30 minutes, walking, jogging, whatever you want to do. Abs, arms, and core on Wednesday. Thursday, again, like cardio for 30 minutes, whatever, like jogging, jump rope, playing a sport, whatever you want. And then Friday is a full body HIIT workout. So today we're going to be doing the abs, arms, and core. We're doing some push-ups, some ankle taps, supermans, plank jacks, V sit-ups, shoulder flies, and side shuffles. Also, they have a 4-week pre-training guide, so it gets you a little bit prepared for those high intensity interval workouts. 16 weeks of workouts because those 4 weeks can really get you ready and in shape too. It tells you like what you need to get started, so a yoga mat, a towel, a water bottle, music, like dumbbells. I bought some 2-pound dumbbells. You'll see on the video. Box step, I didn't buy this, but it says you can use like a bench or a chair or something. A jump rope, I purchased that. And yeah, that's basically it. You don't really need anything else, and you can work out wherever you want. This is one of the highest selling points. I could take this workbook, or if you have the app, even better because it's on your phone. I could literally be on the beach, I could be at the park, I could be in my house. Usually I do it at home on my carpet or in my room because I don't feel like going anywhere. I just want to be at home, take a shower, and lay in bed right after. So it's so great. Like I can make whatever ugly faces I want during the workout because you know, whenever you're working out hard, you make those really unattractive faces. So I love that. Nobody has to watch me. I don't have to worry about anyone looking at me. I could wear whatever I want. So I'm gonna do the workout first and then I'll show you guys what I refuel my body with for lunch. Yummy lunch. I'm so excited for today's recipe. So stay tuned for that and let's just get into it. Alright guys, so I did 3 rounds of those workouts. And I did a cool downs. Yeah. Now I'm pooped and hungry, so we're gonna go cook something really yummy to fuel me back up. Definitely need to eat. I'm hungry. In this box, you get a book for weeks 1 through 6, a book for weeks 7 through 12, Discover Superfoods little workbook, and then Smoothies and Desserts, which is one of my favorite books. So to start off, I've done this so far for a week. I've already been seeing some results, so I'm super happy because that's what I wanted out of this. I feel like this guide is so helpful to teach you to be self-aware of what you're putting in your body. You can take this and incorporate it to your lifestyle. You don't have to be so restricting on yourself. What really sparks results with my body, and I know this because it's my body and I know how my body reacts to these things, is healthy eating and dieting. Working out is great for toning, but for me, what really like sheds off that unwanted weight is dieting. So I knew if I just stuck really well to these recipes that I would see some results, and I did. What is so cool about these books, so cool, I love this, is because they make it so easy. In the beginning of the book, you have a list of must-have ingredients. So these are ingredients that are very common in all the recipes. Then before every week starts, so here you go, this is week 1, you have a week 1 shopping list. So it gives you a list of everything you need that week, and you can take this to the grocery store and check off, because there's little check off boxes, and then you have all your ingredients you're gonna need for a whole week. So that's awesome. And then it gives you a Sunday to-do list. So you can cook now and save, and then you can prep and assemble later. This just makes it so much easier. As you guys know, whenever you want to start dieting or meal prepping and stuff like that, researching and planning takes a lot of time and effort. So this just makes it so much easier, and this is what helped me really stick to it. These recipes are so easy and they're fast to make. So it just took a huge hassle out of healthy eating for me. Basically, on the week portion of it, you open it up. So I'm going to show you one for example. So it tells you what you're going to eat and what page to refer to. And then on the back of the book, there's like a bunch of different pages of all the different recipes. If you did this for 12 weeks strict, or even just like a month, you would see the most insane results. Food is so yummy, so yummy. I'm going to show you guys me prepping my lunch for today. I'm going to take you guys with me and just show you how fast and easy it is. Then there's a book for smoothies and desserts, and guys, some of these are so bonkers. I made this peach ice cream the other day, and okay guys, so I just showered really quickly because I was feeling kind of gross, and I came to look at what recipe we're making today. And today we're making some garlic chili shrimp. However, I'm very sensitive to spicy food and I don't like spicy food, so we're going to eliminate the chili and just make garlic shrimp. And we're going to be eating it with some quinoa and arugula, but I already have the quinoa from another meal I had this week, so we're just going to use some leftovers and I don't have to cook that. And yeah, I'm going to show you guys me making it and how fast it is. Actually, this is one of the longer recipes. The total time is 45 minutes, but since I already made the quinoa and stuff, I don't think it's gonna take that long at all. So yeah, let's get right on into it. Alright, so that took me like 20 minutes, if that. So I don't know why the book said 45 minutes, but it was super fast, which is great because I'm starving. So let's see how this tastes, shall we? I love shrimp. This tastes so good. It doesn't even taste like restricting or healthy in any way. Delicious, fast, easy, quick, and super healthy. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, feel free to leave them down in the comments. I'll answer them to the best of my ability, and if I can't, I'll reach out to the Bodyboss team and get an answer out for you. If you guys are needing to shed off weight, or you want to get toned, or you want to just eat better, like, and be healthier, I really just recommend you guys check it out. Like, that's the least you could do, and watch other videos, research about it, go on the Bodyboss website and just look into it, because I'm not making this stuff up. I'm just so excited about this product, and I could not wait to get on here and talk to you guys about it and let you guys know, because I love giving anyone advice. When people compliment me on my clothes, anything, like, I just want to share with people and tell them about my good experiences, about my good finds, and this is something I am so happy and excited to tell you guys about. I've been seeing some real results really fast, and I just really wanted to tell you guys about it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know by hitting the thumbs up button if you guys like this video and you want to see more on my fitness journey. Comment down below if you have any future recommendations or requests for videos. I love seeing what you guys have to say and what you guys like to see from my channel. If you guys haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me if you guys subscribed and stuck around to see my other videos whenever I upload. And if you guys are already subscribed, if you could hit the bell down below, it will send you a notification to your phone like a text message would every time I upload, so you don't miss a single video. I love you guys so much. As always, I'll see you on my next one. Bye.